What's up, guys?
It is
The FE. Okay, I'm just gonna say it.
the P.
This is the first annual unlimited trick shots paper airplane throwing battle. Whoever gets it the farthest wins. And you're thinking, why are you doing it in such small of a space? And I
Well-
may be thinking, why do you guys think we're gonna throw it that far? Because I just barely made this and it sucks. So we'll see how this does. Mine's probably gonna go from so it's here. Now it's right there. That's all it's gonna go. So Boston, do you wanna go first?
Sure.
Okay. Okay, don't pick it up. Don't pick it up. Just stand right here.
Hold up.
Right here.
Just stand right here, and if it goes past mine, then
No, if it goes, you're not gonna stand right in the way. And also comment down below. Boston, stand right here. Comment down below who you want to win the Denver game. I mean the Patriots game. I want Patriots. My dad wants Denver. My brother wants Patriots. My sister wants Denver. It's just a mumble jumble, but we all know the Patriots are gonna win, right?
yeah.
Broncos 8-5. Yeah. So Boston, film me from right there. So like Boston did, when does he spin? Throw. Except I'm going to be throwing with my right hand. Boston's left-handed, by the way.
If you guys didn't know that.
I'm real big in breathing to the technique, so let's go.
Okay, here you go. Now it's my turn.
Boston's. Hey, Boston, watch out. Watch out. Boston, why the heck you carrying that?
Hunter, you won.
Our first round. So Boston was right there. I was right here. That was round one. Time for round two.
Okay.
Let's do this. This time, do you want me to go first?
Sure. Okay, 1, 2. Okay. Does he spin? Then just go. Okay.
Yay! I made it right there.
Okay, stand right there.
Sorry, that was me.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Where did it go?
Whoops.
Did it go downstairs?
Yes. Is that? Yeah, Hunter, you made it far.
Yes! So that was out of 3 rounds. I just won my
What's that?
second battle win.
What?
I'm not sure. I'll just post them all in a thingy. So thank you all for watching. See ya. Make sure to comment down below who you think's gonna win the Denver and Patriots game. Let's do this. Peace.